In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text into different paragraphs in Otter AI. If your transcript came in as one long block, or the breaks don't match the way people actually spoke, a few quick edits will make it far easier to skim, quote, and share. We'll use Otter's built-in editor to insert clean paragraph breaks, and we'll preview the audio to confirm everything lines up. Start by going to otter.ai in your web browser and opening the recording you want to tidy up. From your home page, pick the conversation or meeting you want and let it load. Once it opens, make sure you're looking at the transcript view. Otter sometimes shows chat or summary first, which are useful for reference, but the transcript is where you'll make text changes. Next, enter editing mode. Click Edit Transcript near the top of the page. When you see the cursor appear in the text, you're ready to adjust formatting. Now place your cursor exactly where you want a new paragraph to begin. Good spots are at the end of a complete thought, when the topic shifts, or when a new speaker starts. Precise placement matters, because the break will affect how highlights and exports look later. To create the paragraph, press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Otter immediately splits the text, turning the following line into a new paragraph block. If the break feels off, use Undo to revert and try again, or remove an extra break by pressing backspace at the start of the next paragraph to rejoin the lines. When you've added your breaks, press play to review. Listening for a few seconds around each edit helps confirm that the visual paragraphing matches the natural pauses in the audio. If something feels rushed or too spaced out, pause, move the cursor to a better spot, and press enter again. Work through the transcript at a comfortable pace, repeating this process anywhere clarity would improve. Shorter paragraphs tend to read better on mobile and make it easier to pull quotes for notes or summaries. That's all there is to it. By opening your transcript, switching to the transcript view, entering edit mode, clicking where a new paragraph should begin, pressing enter, and then playing it back to verify, you can turn any dense block of text into a clean, readable document in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy editing in Otter.